Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're still here in Marmaris. Now, you watched the last video, if they came out in sequence. If you watched the last one, as you can see around me, there's no Sabrina. So, didn't find her, but if she remembered what time lunch was, she would be heading back to the hotel. So, let's take a little walk. And yeah, see if we can see her. If we can't see her, she will know where we are. She knows that we've gone back to the hotel. She knows me. I like to eat my food. So yeah. Quite tired actually. I had quite a lot of sleep last night. 6-7 hours. I don't know if that's good, but yeah. I was straight to sleep when I got in. Got the Marmaris boat there. But yeah, let's head back to the hotel, get our lunch, and get back out filming. I want to go down towards, what was it called? There's one place that did the little cheese, you know, the cheese fried thing. I can't remember its name. There's one place you can get it, and they were massive. I think they served me 3 of them, and they were ginormous, and they were brilliant. I really enjoyed them. They had some at our hotel, been a bit skinny, but adds into my meal for me. It's really nice. So yeah, let's head back. Marmaris beach goes all the way around to that corner, then you've got Ishmael, which you won't be able to see because it's quite hazy down there actually. But it's a beautiful sunny day again. I think they have rain here for like 6-7 months. And then January, February it drops down to like 12, 14. And then March and April back into the 20s. So yeah, let me know if you come out of season, because we came in May and it's really, really nice. Really, really nice, really warm. In the evenings, still didn't need a t-shirt in the evenings in May. We're looking to come back here March. Depending on what we're going to do, we want to do a big thing next year, so we need to get that out of the way early. Yeah, we'll let you know about that in another video, where we actually just talk about what we're going to be doing next year, what events we're going to be at. If you didn't know, we're going to be at Soccer Mazza in Zante, and that's in May. The link for that, for the tickets, that'll be in the description of this video. Actually, it'll be in every single one of our videos in the descriptions. So yeah, make sure you pick up your tickets through our link. And if you check our videos out from this year, you'll see how much fun we had. I actually jumped into the pool with the camera. That was good fun. But yeah. I think our next series is gonna be Gran Canaria and Lanzarote, all in quick trip. It's gonna be a week trip again, but we're doing one night in Lanzarote. I think one night's enough for Lanzarote. For what we do. Obviously, if you don't want to go on holiday, don't go for one day. But yeah, for us, one day for what we're doing is enough. We cover everything we need to cover in Lanzarote in one day. There's 2 of us. I don't know if you can see that drone up there. There's a drone in the sky. We won't be able to see that. But yeah, for what we do, one day is enough in Lanzarote. We'll be going to Porto de Carmen. And then we will be back in Lanzarote again for Mark's birthday. That's Gypsy Souls. We'll be back out for that. That's also my birthday as well. My birthday is on the 18th of January. I think Mark's is the 17th of January. So, big shout out to Gypsy Souls. And out to Scotsman Kevin as well. Scotsman Tenerife, Scotsman Kevin. Big shout out to him. Met quite a lot of people who talk about Kevin. And actually, we've talked about everyone actually. Everyone we've met so far on this holiday talked about Dan from Dan's World. They've talked about Continental Coxswains, Gypsy Souls, and us. A lot of people have watched our videos as well. They've seen our videos. They've seen all of the carnival videos. It's quite funny when you meet people and they talk about your videos that you made. You don't expect everyone to be watching them, but some people have seen every single video you put out. It's quite cool. I guess a lot of people have had enough of normal television. I know I have. I hardly watch any television. I'm always watching YouTube, trying to find new ideas for next year. This year we're set on what we're doing. So when we're in Gran Canaria, we're going to be at R&B Weekender. I think that's going to be a lot more tamer than Soccer's Auntie. Have you seen them Soccer's Auntie videos? Damn. That was some fun to film. But yeah, I think the R&B Weekender is going to be a lot more relaxed. A lot more dancing. With a nice fresh food. Yeah. R&B Weekend Gran Canaria. I think it's the 9th to the 13th of October. So yeah, if you're going to be there, drop us a comment, let us know. Come get on a vlog with us. So we're going to be there for every event, I think, except for maybe the last. We're not there for the boat. We're not going to be on the boat party. And the last day, I think we're going to go to the day event. So we need to get ourselves to, I think it's Puerto Rico. We need to go to Puerto Rico for a night or two. I'm there with my daughter and her boyfriend. So I need to show them a bit more of the island. And also I've got a special video coming up from there, where I'm going to go and find the cheapest pint in the world. Well, in Europe anyway. Cheaper than Tenerife. Cheaper than a Euro beer. Cheaper than a 90-cent beer. In Gran Canaria. Wonder how much it's going to be. Wonder how much it's going to be, eh? Guess in the comments what you think the price will be. Because I don't think you're going to believe it. But you're going to see it. So we're going to take a walk down here. Oh, actually no, I need to get back to my hotel. Let's go straight for a second. We can cut back. Nice little coffee shop here. If you're into coffee. I had a coffee this morning, actually. I had a mocha. I had to put 2 sugars in it because I hate the taste of coffee. It's disgusting as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, I had Turkish tea last night with my mate at Tasty Bites. We're going to see him later on tonight, have another little tea with him. So we've got the Yes Hill Hotel, boutique hotel there. With Ottoman here. Ottoman's quite cool. Cool restaurant, cool little beach. Always free shower, free sunbeds of them all. You got the Viking here. We're going to take this little canal walk upwards back to our hotel. Let me know if you've seen yourself in a video from here as well. So you've met a lot of people who knew who we are. Let me know if we've caught you in a bar, or if we caught you in the bazaar, or if we've seen you in the Ishmael and you're on one of our videos. Comment below, let us know. So we're going to head up back to the main road. So I know if I head down there, everyone's going to stop me. So there's a little market bit here. I'm going to walk in the shade. It's so hot at the moment. It's that midday heat. Feels like it's like 35, 36 now. Yeah, the beautiful flowers that you have everywhere over the Mediterranean, really nice. So if you could hear my feet squeak, that's because it's so hot. So hot. Sweaty feet. Yeah. Guys, if you can like, comment and share. And yeah, let's end this one here. Have a great day, whatever you're doing. I'll catch you on the next one.